Let's see how many French fries that you burned.
Oh, this is a nice French fry.
Get it out before it burns.
Oh yeah, that's not good. Is it burnt? Yeah, you're burnt. If I touch, I'm gonna burn myself.
Yeah, take a fork.
No!
Take a fork and stab it.
Don't cook me. Don't film me while I'm cooking. Jeez.
Oh well, it's funny.
I'm gonna throw it in your face if you don't stop filming me. This isn't funny.
Fine.
I would burn myself.
Wow.
Why did I burn myself while crying? God dang, this one's on burn. This one's on burn. Oh, dang! Okay.
OMG!
You're going to trash.
R.P. Potato.
I'm tired.
You should take cooking class right now.
Yeah, this one's all burned too. They're all burned. What was it?
You made 1, 2, 3, 4,
Step
5,
out.
6,
I'm
7.
going away.
Now you're making more. Oh!
Ah! Go away, Ashley. Okay, oh.
Mom should be right here teaching you how to cook.
Yeah, this is no, get out of here.
She's not gonna be here for hours. No, I'm stuck with you.
You were not wonderful. Cooking. Watch the fire get on that and everything sets on fire.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm seriously gonna blame you.
I can really clean that up, or else everything this stuff's gonna set on fire. Get off!
If it burns the whole apartment down, I'm gonna blame you.
Okay. You can blame it off.
People are just gonna keep on complaining about you. Like,
we know
she
that-
burned the apartment down.
But we know the girl that set the hot plate on fire.
I think your daughter is gonna be a horrible cook like you. That's my opinion.
I should get out of here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be back. Don't be burned!
Oh, she can. Let's see how it's going. It's not long enough for fries. 2 computers over there. Ooh, eggs. Leslie, it's all getting bubbly. No, wait, never mind. Whee. Oh no, I haven't. I dropped my iPhone over there. I think it's done.
You think I should flip them now?
I think someone won't get burned like the others.
What's that smell though? Something smells weird.
It's probably my beautiful hair.
No, because usually when mom makes french fries, it smells like french fries. But for me, it smells like poison.
You make poison. You should give it to Sid.
Oh, they're not that bad. It's a little crunch out.
Yep, I was right. You should flip them over.
Thank you, Ashley. You know how to make good potatoes.
Yay! I'm gonna be a good cook. Probably. Who's gonna wash the dishes on Sunday? Dad or Mom? Or one of us. I think I should show this video to Sid. What do you
No.
think?
No.
I think I should.
You
To see how smart you are how to cook.
I don't know how to cook. I set my waffle on fire, and that's like impossible.
You know how to cook. You burn your toast, which is a good thing.
Is this french fry ready? I don't know. Oh well.
Yeah, perfect circle french fries.
Oh, this one's not ready. Oops, turning fast.
Get the other ones before it gets all burned and crunchy.
That's what I'm trying to do. Get out of here. I should before it sets you on fire.
I'm just gonna back away.
No, you're burning up. Ooh, this isn't SOS. I want to see it.
The one at the end, the one at the edge is getting brownish or oranges.
Yeah,
Orange.
here.
No.
How come these last five aren't burning? This isn't SOS. Oh no, that's not good.
Ooh, what about this? I could show this video to Jisoo, Derek, the Afafa, all and the uncle.
How about
What
I
else?
show them a picture of you pooping on a toilet?
I always lock the door. Sometimes.
What one day we were taking a shower, I opened the door and take a picture of you said to everyone. Oh, I got on my leg!
Ha!
What else?
Then I'm going to lock the door for the rest of my life. I don't care. My hands are slippery and there's no towel inside.
I set myself on fire. Where is it? I got like right here. And look! I got this yesterday. And I set it right here. Right here. Where that purple thing is. Oh, what am I saying? Keep setting my legs on fire.
You.
I don't know.
What would you do if I showed this to Jisoo or Sid or Bish or Nash or
Beat you in the face.
Derek? You will beat me in the face? I would run away.
Step back. Go away.
Time to burn the potatoes. It's going towards to the fridge, not me. Or the floor. Or...
Oh, they got my leg.
Is that a bad thing or a good thing?
What?
The oil on your leg.
It's horrible. It burns. What do you think?
Well, first of all, I will make your leg,
Tell me when I need to go somewhere.
okay. When I see one burning, man, it's getting boring around here. Ha ha! I'm acting like Gleam now. Oh. Ugh. Oh, I opened it. They forgot washing the dishes. Leslie, I think it's time now. Or I don't write myself on my face. See, they're all bubbly. That's a bad thing. That's a bad thing.
What does it mean?
It means they're all gonna burn up and burn the whole apartment down. That's what I think.
Just watch it, Jesus.
It's gonna burn out the computers and TVs and